Hello, good morning students. In this session we will take numerical based on combined twisting and bending moment. Let us have a problem. A mild steel shaft transmits 20 kilowatts at 200 rpm. It carries a central load of 900 Newton and is simply supported on bearings 2.5 meter apart. Determine the size of the shaft if the allowable shear stress is 42 megapascal and maximum tensile or compressive stress not to exceed 56 megapascal. So first of all we will write down the given data. From the problem we will write down the data given. Power P is equal to 20 kilowatt, that is equal to 20 into 10 raised to 3 watt. RPM N is equal to 200 RPM. Shear stress tau is equal to 42 megapascal, that is equal to 42 Newton per mm square. Sigma T is equal to sigma C, that is equal to 56 megapascal, or that is equal to 56 Newton per mm square, and load W is equal to 900 Newton. Now for solving the problem we have these 4 steps. In step 1 is calculate the torque T. Second step, calculate the maximum bending moment M. Then step 3rd, calculate the equivalent torque and equivalent bending moment ME. And step 4, find the diameter of shaft equating the equivalent torque equal to pi by 16 tau d cube and equivalent bending moment equal to pi by 32 sigma b d cube. Now the first step, calculation of the torque using the formula P is equal to torque into omega 2 pi n upon 60. Now transferring the values we will have this equation T is equal to 60 into P upon 2 pi n. Now putting the value of power and n, power is equal to 20 into 10 raised to 3 and n is equal to 200, that is given. So the value of torque comes out to be 954.92 Newton meter. This value comes out in Newton meter. This step should be noted. When power is in watt, the value comes out, the value of torque comes out in Newton meter. So in our problem it is necessary to convert this Newton meter into Newton millimeter. For that we multiply this value by 10 raised to 3. This is, students generally forget to convert the value of torque from Newton meter to Newton millimeter. So this is important step. Students generally make mistakes at this step. Now the second step is calculations of maximum bending moment. As the case is simply supported and load is centrally loaded, for that maximum bending, the value of maximum bending moment is given by W into L by 4, where W is central load and L is the total length of the shaft. Now we already know how the maximum bending moment is calculated. As the reaction is W by 2 here, RA, and RB is equal to W by 2, and this distance is L by 2. So RA W by 2 is multiplied by L by 2. So we will get W into L by 4. Putting the value of W is equal to 900, L is equal to 2500 divided by 4. We will get maximum bending moment at C, that is the equal to 562.5 into 10 raised to 3 Newton millimeter. Now after finding the value of torque and maximum bending moment, we will calculate equivalent torque and equivalent bending moment by the formula, that is TE is equal to root MC square plus T square. From this we will calculate the equivalent torque, that comes out to be 1108.27 into 10 raised to 3 Newton millimeter. Now we will calculate the value of equivalent bending moment from this formula. ME is equal to 1 upon 2 in the bracket MC plus root MC square plus T square, bracket is complete. Now putting the values of MC and T torque, we will have the value of equivalent bending moment. ME is equal to 835.38 into 10 raised to 3 Newton millimeter. Now from this formula, TE is equal to pi by 16 tau d cube, we will have one dimension of the diameter, that is D is equal to 51.22 millimeter, and from equivalent bending moment ME is equal to pi by 32 sigma B into D cube. From this we will have the diameter, that comes out to be 53.15. We will take the larger value. 53.15 is the larger value, so say we take diameter is equal to 54 millimeter. So in this way we have calculated the diameter by equivalent torque and equivalent bending moment, and finally we have taken the large diameter. So this is all about the numerical problem. In the next session we will meet. Thank you very much. This is the end of the session.